Hi friends! Today we're going back in time to the Jurassic period Gigantosaurus. Let's get to know our new dinosaur friends better. Let's go. I think so we need level medium. Okay. Yes, we need 4 corners. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I think so this it's corners and him plays this. No, it's not right. Wow. Okay, where is number 2? Maybe this? No, it's not right. Okay, or this? Yes! Oh, it's right. Cool. I like it. Okay. Corners number 2. Where is corners? Oh, I think corners. But where is the place? Corners? This? No, it's not right. This? Not. And or this? Yes! Woohoo! It's right. Corners number 3. We have only 2 variants. Where is corners number 2? I think so this. Oh no, it's not right. This? Yes, it's right. Cool. And the corners number 4 is this. Oh yes, right. Cool. And okay. We have 4 corners. Yes. Woohoo! You did it, my friends. And now we need all pitch puzzles with 1 side line and 4 line. Yes. Okay. Pitch puzzles number 1. This with line this. It's not right. This? No. Oh yes. Look, friends. I think so. This pitch puzzles this. Yes. Look, it's right. Cool. This. We need pitch puzzle this. Oh yeah. I think so. This pitch puzzles this. Yes. It's right. Cool. And we need pitch puzzles with line this. 2 pitch puzzles, 1 pitch puzzles, and 2. These pitch puzzles, maybe this? Not. It's not right. Or this? Yes, it's right. Cool. Yes. And these pitch puzzles only this. Yeah, it's right. Cool. I like it. And we need 2 pitch puzzles with line this. I see 1 pitch puzzles and 2. Where is he placed? Like this? Yes, look, it's right. Cool. And this pitch puzzle is this. Yes. Guys, it is very cool and easy. And we have only. Oh, look, we did it. Oh, cool. And now we need only 2 pitch puzzles in the center. And I think so. These pitch puzzles. This? No. This. Yes. And okay.
He leaps! He soars!
Oh, I think so. It's really interesting moment. Thank you, friends. We did it. Oh yeah. And please subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye.